Perhaps something interesting happened the other day while I was marking Bull. He had a meeting with Tony and his mother.
You don't say. That's a very unlikely link-up.
That's exactly what I thought.
Very, very interesting. Let's not look a gift horse in the mouth. Do you realize that she runs a tour company? And there's something about Bull that I know that you are about to find out.
Do tell.
Have you ever heard the term hostile takeover?
Yeah, I have.
Well, Bull could be attempting one without the hostility.
So he's known for that?
He has investments in at least 8 small businesses. And I'm wondering, why? What is the profit? But I'm going to get to the bottom of it.
So this could lead to an opportunity for us to see where it goes with Bull and Maureen.
But I can't wait for Cupid to shoot his arrow. I need to expedite this. I need to give it a little shove, because I need to find out how we get the flush out at Cliff.
I executed a plan without permission, but I take full responsibility.
Interesting. Tell me more.
So I met with Miss Jen the other day, and she told me that Radcliffe is aware that the feds are onto him. And if they did close in on him, her place would be the place of refuge.
Like father, like son. So I guess it is incumbent upon us to give him reason to run to Miss Jen.
I said the same thing to her. So I took the liberty of getting 2 service vehicles and placing them at the location where I saw Bull. So now, if Radcliffe is actually there, we play the waiting game.
Brilliant! But are you taking him there or at Miss Jen's?
Well, the first option would be there. But worst case scenario, Miss Jane.
And your contingency plan for the worst case scenario is?
I told Miss Jane that the only way she would have Radcliffe out of her life is that she would have to deal with it.
And let me guess. We would be providing her with the means to do so.
Exactly. Do you remember 8 years ago, you sent me on a mission and you said I had to shoot the mark? It was a shot that I didn't think that it was warranted. I had nightmares, it haunted me, and everything else that came with it. You remember what you told me?
Yes. Seek and ye shall find. The rounds were non-lethal, but traceable.
Now you understand what I've done?
Of course I do. It is important for her to believe in the lethal capability of the rounds she will be firing.
As far as she's concerned, she's eliminating the problem that exists in her life.
But in reality, she will be putting a tracker in him that will lead us and the feds straight to him.
Exactly.
In local news, A group of federal agents have taken a man into custody said to have been on the run here on the island for several months. Reports are that the man is wanted in the United States in connection to drug smuggling, arms dealing and murder. His name is being withheld by the authorities at this time for confidential reasons. However, several reports have circulated that he is the son of one of Jamaica's most notorious gang leaders from the 1980s. More of this report as the story unfolds.
Yeah, Pops. This is a win for the agency. Yeah, man. I did the necessary paperwork to get her out of it. Yeah, man. I plan to go see her tomorrow, though. Pops, what you say? Him still a go hard in him investigation? Can't believe this. Can't believe this. Pops, yeah, I'm gonna ring you back. No, man, nothing happen. I'm just step in the bathroom and call you back. Alright. Come. This is as unlikely as seeing cartels on a political stage.
Good night, Miss Brissett.
Good night, Mr. Wallace. You see the time, right? And you do know where you are.
Well, I'm not drunk. I'm not going senile. So yes, I'm quite cognizant of both.
Well, it must be very important for you to just turn up at my house without a call and come through the gates and brave enough to knock on the door.
Well, actually, it's very important. It's a matter of life and death.